Hi guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, middle of the week, and today I have a free workshop that I share my proprietary trade to win strategy with a very good crowd, right? I think I have given my all to share my strategy with them, and I'm pretty sure people who attended benefited a lot and have a better idea on how to pick the stocks or trades that actually will have explosive returns for them, right? I ended roughly 3 hours later, and that time market has already opened, and today is earnings report, earnings news for Google and Microsoft, and I do have trades with them based on my profit signal, right? So let's jump in and I'll show you what happened. Okay guys, we are at my screen right now. We can see that my equity went up a little bit, $4,870 plus dollars, right? Running equity is now up about at around 110, around there, right? Okay, we can see BAC went deeper into profits, and Microsoft went deeper into profits. But having said that, yesterday I did a swing trade on Microsoft to sell, right? Okay, so on my history here, you can see that Microsoft actually hit my stop loss, right? Okay, so total roughly based on Microsoft trade maybe $12-13, right? Good thing that I reduced risk based on the sell side yesterday, right? Okay, Google also hit my stop loss for the sell side around $70, so not a big amount, right? In fact, overall my portfolio went higher, right? Okay, equity over here went higher despite 2 losses on Google and Microsoft. Why? Because my Microsoft here actually went deeper into profits together with other stocks as well. Visa also went higher, so it actually buffered off and still made me pretty good overall profits, as in my equity still went higher, right? Okay, the indices is not moving much, but definitely I do have a new trade using Oracle, right? Okay, Oracle, I just put in the trade. If you look at Oracle, it just triggered and started moving higher. I still went in, right? Okay, maybe I might decide to see how it goes if it drops a little bit, right? Okay, maybe going with a small risk, right? Okay, but we see how it goes. But this is a new trade, right? There's also a new trade on Meta, right? Okay, but based on my calculation, because it's a very high price stock and this is a small account, I couldn't even go in 1 share. I could only go in 0.8 share, right? Okay, not even 1 share. So I'm waiting for it to come back down before I can go in 1 share, and tomorrow is earnings, right? So I might miss it. I might miss this trade, right? Sadly, because my risk is not within my risk, right? Okay, my risk based on my account, which I need to standardize for all the trades, right? Okay, so every trade here I standardize it to a maximum of only $30-35 kind of risk. So even if I stop loss, right, I will only lose around $30 or $35 kind of loss, right? Okay, but of course if I make profit, I will make a bit more, right? Okay, in a win. So this trade don't allow me to trade, so I'm foregoing this trade unless tomorrow after earnings is still roughly the same price, but it dropped lower, allowing me to go in with 1 trade, 1 share, at least 1 share, right? Okay, so this one is getting ready to trade. These are all pending orders. This is not a pending order, it has already triggered, but like I say, I can't get in, so I might just wait a little bit for it to bounce a little bit lower in price so that I can at least trade 1 share, right? Okay, that's the thing about having a small account, right? Okay, but most of the time it would not happen. Most of the time, from what I see, so far for after trading a few months, I think most of the trade I could get in, except for today, special occasion, I didn't get to get in. In fact, when it triggered at the entry price, I could have got in with 1 share, right? Now it's much higher. I can't go. It's not possible for me to go in anymore, right? Okay, Having said that, you look at Microsoft, right? Microsoft did hit my stop loss, and I show you the loss already. But I have an existing trade over here for Microsoft, and it gave me much more profit, right? Okay, so it buffer off a little bit, right? Another trade was Google, right? Google went up a lot after earnings, but yesterday it already hit my stop loss. I already got out, right? Okay, so good thing, right? Follow your stop loss. Make sure you do not want to like deviate from the strategy, right? Because a lot of people they lose money not because the strategy is not proven, it's because they deviate from the strategy, right? Okay, so this strategy is very straightforward. Entry price, stop loss. Once the setting is there, just follow, right? Okay, so far following it is still getting me consistent profits, right? Okay, small losses, bigger profits, right? Okay, and it has been growing for the past couple of weeks, right? Or even a couple of months, right? Okay, so overall pride, okay, you can see overall the portfolio is doing well. Visa announced earnings and it kept up a little bit, almost hit my take profit, right? Okay, I might decide if we very near to my take profit zone, I might close it, right? Okay, see how it goes, because by the time I finish my free workshop, it was already down here, and I don't want to close it, right? Okay, we will see how it moves as the days goes by. Hopefully it will just hit my take profit level, right? Okay, but if it's just a few percentage away from my take profit level, maybe I will just close it, right? Okay, so this is still an outstanding trade, but definitely it went up quite hugely today, and just based on Visa because normally it doesn't move so much, but of course, like what you saw just now, based on my account, okay, Visa give me very good profit now, right? Just because of that move, right? So overall, because of all these reasons, my equity actually went up despite having 2 losses, right? Okay, so it's always important, right, to hold for bigger profits, right? Okay, yeah. And the system and the strategy for the profit signal is already there, right? Okay, we make sure like we are aiming for bigger profits in a win, and making sure that we are losing small when we lose, right? Okay, the indices is basically going nowhere. Again, a very tight range kind of movement, right? I suspect, like I say, as we go along towards the end of the week or even next week, right, market may start to turn bullish, right? Okay, I'll update you as and when we go along, right? That's all from me. Basically, I may update you again tomorrow when if some of these trades are able to execute, and I'll update you. Of course, if there isn't any and there's no closing trades, then there will be no update, right? Okay, I'll wait for another day when there's some action to record a video to give you an update, right? Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. May the profits be with you. See you soon.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.